It ain't the miles to where you've been, it's the silence where his voice had been. Still can't feel, but I still try, 'cause I was taught that trucks don't cry. He taught me how to drive, said son, hold the line. Hands at 10 and 2, eyes out for the signs. Now boots up by the door, ain't moved in days, and this old house don't sound the same. Trucks don't cry, they rust and break. They haul the loads no matter the weight. They bear the scars and hide the pain. They're driving wind and pouring rain, but even still can't wear right through. And I'm licking tears like a blown out fuse. Said trucks don't cry, but tonight I might. His old Ford still parked out in the shed, radio froze on the words he said. I sit in the cab when I need him near, trying not to stall in second gear. Ride out to watch the sun fall low, talk about life on the words he said. Now it's just me in that empty seat, shifting through the grief beneath my